Yo, can everybody hear me? Alright. Uh, okay, guys, let's pull up the fucking code. Alright, we have this. Can you guys see that as well? Alright. So if you don't understand fucking line, it's basically you're going from one to the other position. So it's from one position to the other. Let me pull up the Synapse document. Uh, xsnaps.2 docs. Alright, now how the fuck do I? Give me 1 second. Alright, it's this. Alright, let's move this to the side. Alright, so we go here, lines, whatever, balls and sacks, ball sacks. No, let's go through here. That's easier. Where's the line? Right here. So from and then to. They're two vectors, so it's only x and y, and it's going from one position to another. So we're gonna be using line to use skeleton. So basically, we're gonna go from the head position. Like, oh, give me 1 second. Move this shit. There's so much shit on the screen, I can't even control everything at once. So on my head, we're gonna go from this x and y of my head. We're gonna convert the vector 3 to a vector 2 from the world point, like whatever the fuck it's called, world to viewport point. It's gonna turn into a vector 2. We're gonna run it in a loop, which is gonna keep staying there, and we're gonna go from like that x and y to like the torso x and y, and it's gonna be there forever because it keeps looping until their character equals nil and whatever destroys it or makes it false. Maybe 1 second. How to make toggleable scale? All right. Uh, please don't join the game. Don't fuck it. It's called the R6 base plates. There's no other R6, but this one's gonna be for R6 probably tomorrow next stream. It's gonna be for R15, just because R15 there's so much more like parts and shit from the body. I'm just starting with this one because it's easier. I'll also keep this live stream up for anybody that needs to go back, and I'm pretty sure the stream you can also go back as well. Yeah, you can. All right. So, hold on, let's pull up the code. Not the code, though. This. All right. So you already know what we're gonna need. We're gonna need the camera to go convert it, and we're also gonna be using it for other things as well. We're gonna need enemies, the entities. Yo, can I spell local correctly? Entities, uh, players, and then your local player. And then your run service, just to make it more short, because why not? Alright. Then we're gonna make something like function draw. This is Again, I'm gonna be making this very simple. You guys can advance this however you want. I'm just gonna do this very fast for you. What else? Hold on. Move this fucking screen. There's shit everywhere. Alright, we're gonna be making like if the player has been added. So we're gonna call this function every time there's like a character added or whatnot. We're gonna check if there's a player character. If there is a character, we're gonna make it call in this draw function. So we're gonna do coroutine dot wrap called draw, and then we need the parameters or whatever the fuck you call it. And we're gonna put the player, which is here. That's already gonna be the player. I'm gonna explain that later. And then because this is gonna be checking if it's not nil or if it's there, if this is true. So we're just gonna be that if the character is there, and then we're gonna make it go there, and that's equaling character. If you guys don't understand fucking Lua, learn. Yep, that's my advice. And then from here, we're gonna do character added. So this is checking. It's like checking if that player's character has been added. So we're gonna do connect, and then from here, we're just gonna do function character. And then we're gonna do the same thing up here, but since we don't have to do that, it's checking if it's like getting the character. Oh shit! It's getting the character that's been added, and we're just gonna call it from like that. And then of course there's a function, so we're gonna have to end it with a parentheses. And then from here, we're just gonna do for AB or for IV, however you want to do it. In next, and then we're gonna get the entities. No, this is get players. Do. And then from here, this is when we're getting the players. So this is when we're just starting. We're getting the players. So here's a player added. Well, it's not really added, but we're just adding the player to go to get in the draw. Hold on, let me look at chat. I haven't looked at chat in a while. You should show how to make a decent whitelist. There's whitelists out there. There's a lot of tutorials out there, but they're not that great. You know, a lot of them you could get cracked out of. So imposter balls, yep, so tasty, man. All right. Alright, so where was I at? Alright, so player added. Uh, so if you don't understand what for maybe I'm doing here, is I'm grabbing all the entities, whatever, and all those players are in 1B, and I'm just making it go B, and then player added, and all those players come into here. If you guys don't understand, then learn Lua, man. I don't know what the fuck to tell you. You're in the wrong tutorial if you don't understand. Alright, from here, we're doing entities and then player added. So what this is doing is checking if there has been a player that's been added, you know? Or am I, wait, what? Oh yeah, I'm correct because it's going from like that place from players and it's checking if the player has been added and connect whatever balls. And then that player that has been added, we're just gonna call player added. And that's gonna be that one already. They are basic. Oh, let me go. You're not gonna like white hot. Nice. Alright. Does anybody have confuse? Why make a local function when have a function for vowels? I don't know why, Zario. I'm just going out balls style. what's it called? Now, this is where it starts getting messy since I'm not gonna be making this so good. You guys could fuck around with this shit. I'm not gonna be taking my time doing this shit for you. So again, we're gonna be using line. If you guys don't know, I just explained line in the beginning of the video, so you could go back. So if you don't know already, R6 uses head, torso, left arm, left leg, right leg. If they have more shit, that's your problem. You could do whatever the fuck you want after you figure out how to use lines and shit if you want to. R15 has more stuff, so yeah. So the skeleton, we're just gonna be making like the lines. I'm just gonna be calling this skeleton head or whatnot. So I'm just gonna be calling this torso. And by the way, I want to actually do something. Isn't line like a square or something? Square uses vector 2, but it's like yeah, you kind of like you're like there, but like line is two positions. If you think about a line, it goes from one position to another. Do you know it? All right. Anyways, I was just hearing myself. You noobu. All right. All right. Anyways, since I don't want to make it, well, actually, I'm gonna explain later. So from here, whatever, left arm, right arm. Again, I remember there's only head, torso, left arm, right arm, left ball sack, and then right ball sack, you know? Anyways, left leg. I just spelled left wrong. Left leg. Right. Right leg. All right. Um, from here, you could do whatever. I'm just gonna make it super messy for you guys. I'm just gonna get this, whatever. Oh god. This is gonna be messy as fuck. Hold on. So, we don't want it to be visible straight off as we, draw it. But, what's it called? Yo, bro, yo, sexy. Ballsack destroy? Alright, anyways. So, I did thickness 1, but that shit looks way too fucking skinny when drawing the lines. Especially when you go far away. So 1.5 is the best. I'm bored as fuck. Uh, hit up a dude. You'll do something. So, lines only need like visible thickness and then two positions and then whatever the basics of it, like color or whatever. Then I'm just gonna copy this again, like just do this, and then we're gonna change the names after this, of course. So do that, do that, do that, and do that. Alright, so now I'm just gonna copy this, do that, do that, do that, copy that, do that, do that, do that, copy that, do that, do that, do that. Do this, copy, copy, copy. Oh, what? Alright. Yeah, it's gonna be messy, so uh, deal with it. I'm also gonna have it in a notepad or whatever for you guys to download it. One of the people in my server also said go to GitHub and search up box ESP. There's like fucking like 20 people with the same shit, and it's like whoa. A lot of people are just skidding off of my shit. So I mean I don't even care. That box ESP is not even that great, to be honest. Did that shit like years ago. Alright, anyways. Now for the fun part, we're just gonna be, yay. I'm just gonna do the same shit like I always do in my tutorials, put no energy into it, and just call it a day. So we're gonna do quarantine.rep, whatever, update, no parameters in it. Ooh. What else? So we're gonna be making a connection for the run service, because why not? Am I even spelling connection right? I don't care. Render stepped connect function and that. So from here, we're gonna be. This is our loop. This is our loop that's controlling the players or whatever. I'll just keep on drawing and drawing and drawing and drawing, and well, not drawing, but updating their position or their like colors. If you have options, of course, like if you make a table like ESP settings here. So if you want like skeleton, this is so if you want like a whole thing that's like starting it, we can always put like enabled equals true, and then we make skeleton equals true, and then skeleton uh color, and then you put color 3 from RGB. Put it whatever fucking color you want. I'm gonna do white. You could also do nil or HSV, I think. What else? We can also put thickness, but that's not on my mind right now. But I will do these two right here. What's next? So we have to make sure that characters are there. So it would be, I wish I could make this shorter, but I'm already there too late. I just voice cracked my ass off. Um, so character, we're gonna be using characters. So oh shit. Character, so if the character is still there and not nil, we can still go through. We're also gonna be, yo, stop copying. Yo, can I talk correctly, man? Find first child. We're gonna need humanoid root part. Because I think once the body dies, it just ragdolls, I think. I don't know. I haven't coded in a while since that slither.io fucking video. Humanoid. We're also gonna need the health. So if it's not 0, is that all we need? I think so. So we're checking if the character is there. We're also checking if the humanoid root part is there. Also checking humanoid is there, and we're checking if the humanoid and the health is not 0. I'm pretty sure you can also do this, like if it's above 0 or something. But I'm just gonna do not 0. What do we need? Gonna make it a little bit easier for you guys to understand what's about to happen here. So I'm gonna do character root part 3D. So we're gonna just get our character humanoid root part position. So I say 3D because this is vector 3. It is 3D. And then from here we're just gonna copy this name and then make this 2D. You guys could call this whatever. You could guys call it even ball sacks or something. I don't even know why I'm naming it this. But I'm making it 2D because we're gonna be converting it, you know. And then we're also gonna be getting the root part if it's on screen. And then we're gonna do camera world to viewport points. Oh yeah. And then we're just gonna grab this. Because this equals the humanoid root part position. We're going to be taking the position of the humanoid root part, converting it to the viewport point, which is 2D. And that's why I named it 2D, you know. Yo, hold on, I want to check the YouTube page. Probably there's nobody watching. Oh, okay, there's people watching. Anyways, what else? So now we're going to be checking if the if this if the if yo, come on man, I gotta talk. If the root part is on the screen, basically like can I have somebody? Why is everybody flying around? Alright, anyways. Imagine, okay, here's some players. So, you see this guy right here? If I go, move, bro. Shit. If I go out, if his humanoid is not on my screen, that ESP is gonna turn off. Bec until their position of their humanoid is on the screen again. That's what it could be any like part's position. It's like if it's off if the position's off the screen, it won't show or whatever the fuck you want to do that in the code. But what I'm gonna do is if it's not on screen, it's gonna make it false. Until I look back at it, it's gonna make it on. You know. Anyways, so we're gonna take. Oh, that's you. Great. How am I level 9? 49. What the fuck did I even do here? Alright, anyways, root part on screen. So we're gonna be checking if the root part on screen, if the root part is on screen. And then also, if you guys don't know, you can do this. Uh, you can check what the rig type of the player is. So if you're gonna be playing a game, if you're gonna be making a skeleton ESP that has both models of the humanoid, that the rig type is R6 and R15. Like if they're both available and set custom whatever the fuck you want to do it. You want to check if the rig type is R6 or R15 because if you name torso and like left arm or left or right arm, that's not a thing in R15 because in R15 there's something called like right upper arm, right lower arm, like just shit like that. So you want to always check what the rig type of the player is. So we're gonna be doing rig type equals enum humanoid. Can I type humanoid rig type R6? Next stream, yeah, I already told you guys that. Next stream, I'm gonna be doing R15. So this is we're checking if it's on screen, the root part of a humanoid, and we're also checking that the player's model is R6 or R15, which we are only doing the skeleton on R6 for today, for today's video, live stream. But anyways, now let's get into the main part. Um, let's see if we missed anything. Yeah, let's go. Let's do that shit first. Hold on. So, who the fuck is playing music? And I was covering the screen. I wasn't even showing. Hold on. All right, if you guys didn't understand what I just missed, so if this position is not on screen, it goes away. Okay. All right. Anyways. Hey, sussy baka, give me mod. I mean, I don't need mods, but yay. I have mods for no fucking reason, actually. Who are the mods again? There's HTTP sus. Chris is just there because what do you got? Oh yeah, the bot. Um, who else is that bot? I mean, what? Let me check. All right, no one else. Two people. All right, anyways, root part. Oh yeah, we're gonna be getting the head. We're gonna be changing it to a to do fuck 2D. So we're gonna be again. We're gonna grab the head, the character's head position. Man, can I? Why is this shit on the screen still? Close this shit out. Where the fuck is it? Close this shit out. Anyways. Alright, head 2D. We're gonna be changing that, so our position of our head, we're gonna be changing that to a 2D. So we're gonna be, what is it? Character head dot position. Right? And then for the rest, we're also gonna need that. So like, again, torso, left arm, left leg, right leg. So that's what? Uh, that's 6 pieces of shit. Alright. So we're just gonna be taking this, so we're gonna call this torso. Torso, what else? Left arm, cute face cam. Uh, thanks, man. Left leg and right leg. Fuck, I deleted the whole thing. I just want to add 2D for you guys to understand. So left leg, left arm, torso, head. And we're also going to have to change this. So this would be torso. Let me zoom in. I don't know if you guys can actually see or not. So this is going to be torso. This is going to be, they put left arm, so you're going to have to do like these brackets if you want. You're going to have to do this left arm because since they have a space, you can't really just do, this. You can't really just do that because that's going to give you an error. So I just do this, brackets, and then string, and just name it however you want. Left arm. And what is this? Right arm. Right arm, and then this one would be left leg. And then this would be right leg. You don't need the dots here, by the way, because you're already going from here to there, and then you put the dot. What else? Are we done here? Alright, I think we grabbed all of our 2D shit. Changing all the parts like to 2D. And then this is when we start the lines. This is where we start positioning it. So, yay. Anyways, I like to go position it first. So positions and then visibilities and whatever. So I like to do positions first. And then I would do the visibility again. So here we go. So we're going to take one of these. So actually we're going to take all of these. Skeleton head. We'll take the skeleton head, and then again, from the snaps, we're gonna go from and then to, because that's how it works. So we're gonna do from vector to, and then from here we're gonna go our head, right? It's changing the head position to an XYZ, basically to a vector 2 XY. So we're just gonna do this XY. Let's go to the next one. Oh no, we're gonna have to do skeleton head 2, and then we're gonna do vector 2, and then grab the torso 2D and paste that there. Next one, skeleton torso. Now, this is when it starts getting ugly as fuck, because I'm gonna explain later when you guys actually look at it. So we're gonna go from the torso. Well, we don't actually need this. If you actually think about it, because this is gonna, because the skeleton ESP is fucking so ugly, man. Yeah, I don't think you guys need it. Yeah, I don't think you guys need it at all. Because I'm just gonna explain it later. Alright, forget about this. Skeleton left arm. So from it's going dot from, and then vector 2. You're gonna be grabbing it from the you want the left arm to be going from the torso to your arm, you know. So you're gonna do that, and then dot 2, another vector. We're gonna change that out to the left arm 2D, and shit, and take that out. So it's going from the torso to the left arm. That's how I'm doing that. And next one, we're gonna be going skeleton, right arm. I don't know why we didn't just do that. Just replace left with right on this one. So, and grab that. Okay. And then from here, we're gonna be doing the legs. See, it's pretty simple if you don't understand it yet. So what is it? Left leg. Let's just change this. Actually, let's just grab this whole thing of the arms and then paste that, and then take out arms for these two. So left leg, take that, boom, boom. Leg, and then grab this, boom, boom. All right. For these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're not going to be taking the torso because we're not using that line yet. I'm going to explain that later because this skeleton ESP for fucking Roblox is ugly. I have to confirm that. It's pretty fucking ugly. I don't know why. Well, it's because of the bone format. It's actually going from like the middle, like the actual middle of the shit, whatever. But I'm going to show how to make it better, I guess. I don't know. Whatever. So we're gonna have to make this visible since it's on the screen, and since the visible is already false. So we're gonna grab all of this. Well, only the things that are here. So like right arm, head, left arm, left leg, right leg. We're gonna make it equals. You want to make it equals true or your fucking ESP settings if you're gonna be making it a toggle. And by the way, if you want to make it a toggle, um, if you're gonna have like a separate bool where it's like enable ESP and then the rest of the ESP is there, and it also enables the other ESP, I would be like, this is the ESP. I'll also add it like here, whatever, enabled, and you always have to put the fucking the table's name to reach this place, you know. Put the table's name, or you could put a global value if you want. So it's going to be checking if this is true. And if you guys are going to put this on a GUI, you know, you can like put on a mouse click button or your whatever your your UI lib, you can make it equals true. I forgot it's something like this button whatever button, and it would have like your callback is like fucking input, or I don't know, man, bool. And then you would just put what's it called? You would just put that, and then this, and then you would make it the value or the callback name or whatever, you know. And that will make it equals true or false because that callback is making it true or false or whatever. So that's going through. And then to make the skeleton bool, you would make it go on the visibility. That's how I do it. So what I do is grab this and then grab that, you know, and then I would make skeleton, whatever. We're grabbing this, so it's going to be returning this uh, this bool or value or whatever, and we're just going to be, you know, that's how we do it. That's how you're going to do it because this is going through a loop, and if you turn it off, it's going to return that bool. If it's false and it's going to keep looping, then it's going to be false on your screen. I don't know if you guys understand that, but yeah, is that it? I think. Okay. I didn't execute it yet because we still have a couple things. It's not long. So from here, we're going through else. So what this else is if it's checking if you are on the screen, if the rig type is R6, and if the ESP enabled is off. So even if one of these things are off, like if it's not true or whatever, it's not going to go through this because one of these are not true. So if it's rather not on screen, if the rig type is not R6, or if this is not enabled, if it's not true. So it's going to return all false. You want it to be false. And right here as well. So this if statement is checking if the character is there, checking if the humanoid is there in the character, checking if the humanoid is in the character, checking if the humanoid is in the character, as checking if the health is over, I mean not 0. So we will paste that and make it also false. Um, I don't know why I do this in my videos. I'm just gonna do it. Layer equals nil. Just fucking delete it. What the fuck am I doing? Alright, pretty sure that would be it. And by the way, I'm using the Synapse shit, so yay. What's up, Viper? Sussy data? Daddy? Alright, I think that's it. Let me test it. I'm gonna be doing it on my local player because why not? It's easier to test on local player than going around fucking finding someone flying around and shit. So I'm not putting it. I'm putting it on my player because I'm not doing if B does not equal local player. You know, if I did this, um, this will literally cancel me out of all those players because it's check. It's making fuck. I don't even know how to explain this. Why do you hate Latornio? Huh? I don't even know what the fuck you said anyways. But yeah, if I did this, it wouldn't put the ESP on me because I'm getting myself rid of those entities of B. I don't know if you guys understood that. Anyways, I'm gonna execute it, see if it works. No, it did not work. What'd I do? Line 61. Alright, let's check. What the fuck did I do here? Hmm? Line 61. Oh, what a dumbass. Yo, I don't know if you guys caught that, but I put head here. Hold on, let's check. So this and this, I don't know if you guys actually did that. Why do you hate the guy who you said skidded? What did he skid? Um, I'm pretty sure he claimed the GUI or the UI lib, and he also claimed that his cheat was. I already forgot the fucking game name, but I don't hate him. It's just I can't be with someone who is not legit. That's literally it. That's literally it. I can't be with someone who's not legit. Anyways, let's see if it works now. Alright, so yeah, this is pretty fucking ugly, if you guys can tell. If you guys got everything I did, it should work. Like you can tell on my screen, it does work. But it's fucking ugly. Like this shit is ugly. So what I was thinking is, how about if we grab this torso and we make extra positions that are not there? So we're gonna be making, um, what's it called? Let's expand the screen. So for you guys to understand what I'm about to do is I'm gonna be making these positions, like I'm gonna be making extra positions. So I'm gonna call this one upper. So we're gonna grab the top of this and the bottom of this to make it look at least better, you know, not fucking ugly. So we're gonna grab this. So we're just gonna do this and then do that. And call this one lower. What's up, Bite? Anyways, I want to move this shit. Can't answer now. What? Anyways, lower. So this is upper and that's lower. So if you guys don't know, we don't have upper and lower, so we're just making these positions go up and down in this position. I don't know if you guys understand that. It's just it's a little. I don't know if you guys have done that before, because I do like trial and error and a lot of shit. I do a lot of that. So I'm gonna be doing one. So I'm pretty sure what this is just doing is going on the top of this. All right, and then from here we're gonna be going from the bottom. We're gonna make this -1 because we want it to go to the bottom. So let's leave this. Let's go back. Uh, okay, so I want to explain it again because you guys didn't see it. So so what this is doing, upper and lower, right? Upper and lower. I'm grabbing the position of the torso and I'm like adding a vector 3. I'm changing the position now to the top, and the lower is at the bottom. So, and they're two different positions because you're about to see what I'm about to do. So head, this is gonna go. Uh, so we want the skeleton head to go to the upper, all right, and then lower. So this is when it starts getting a little dumbass mode, you know. So this is when we start adding skeleton torso I meant, and skeleton torso. This is 2. So there's gonna be 2 vectors, you know. We're gonna grab this, and we're gonna grab lower. Just do that for now. If you guys have better ideas, just do it. Or you could just fuck around with this stuff. I don't know. But we want the head to go to torso, upper, whatever, right? And now we want the upper. We want skeleton left arm going from the upper, from up here to there, you know? And the lower for the legs, we're gonna go from here down there, you know? It's like a little dumbass mode, you know, because this is a lot of fucking lines. It would be an easier way if you just make it advanced, because I'm just making it super messy. He already made it skeleton ESP. He's just making it look better. Yeah, I made ESP skeleton ESP fucking months ago, but like I'm just making a video on it now because why not? You know, I'm just bored. So we want from left arm going from the torso upper, so this up here, to the left arm. And then from the right arm, we want it from the upper up here to the right. And then left leg, we want it to go from the lower. So lower, lower. So it's going, move. Fuck, man. We want to go from here to there, you know? Not up here to there, you know? Because that'll look fucking ridiculous. That'll look stupid. Uh, so what is it? And we want it to go here as well from the right leg. Now we're gonna have to grab this torso and make it also come into these visibles because we don't want it to be, we don't, because we want to see it, basically. We don't want it to be invisible. Also add it here as well. It should look like that. Anyways. Is there going to be an episode 2 on the Xbox Series? Yes, in the announcements, no, yesterday night, I think. I said I was gonna do it after this shit. Probably tonight. Alright, but do you guys see now? So it's going from the top, right here, to here. So that's upper torso. Let's pull it up. So, oh shit, I should just zoom it in actually. Why the move, man? So, upper torso, we're just grabbing the position right here, right? Let's zoom this even. Let's zoom this even more. So this is upper torso right here. This is lower torso. So we're grabbing position, which is right in the middle, and then we're adding a position up to 1, which is on the top of the Yo, what the fuck is this guy doing? The top of the torso. And then the lower, all we're doing is adding, well, you could do minus, but I just did add. But if you did minus, you would just do that and then take this thing out, you know? But whatever. There's no difference. I mean, there is a difference. But add and then -1, which is at the bottom, you know? Uh, and yeah, that's what it basically does. And then if we're gonna be explaining this, it goes from the head, so the head position to there, right there, and then that's from, and then to the upper torso. Are you hacking? Yes. So there, and then torso, all we're doing is we're going from the upper torso to the lower torso. So this is what it's doing. Here to here. And then left arm, we're going from the upper torso and then to the left arm. Uh, so again, right arm from upper torso to right arm. So I'm pretty sure you guys get the basics. No, he have just a good gaming chair. Again, left leg from the lower torso, and then left leg going skeleton, the line going to the left leg position. Now, if we were to make this, now if we don't want to make it that fucking ugly, this guy, I'm pretty sure this guy's like 0 health. That's why there's no like, skeleton ESP there. Pretty sure. Or if it's just bugged out, I don't fucking know. Is there any errors? No. No, there isn't. So like that guy, he's all right. Fling patch be like, what the fuck? Okay, see, that's why that guy's fucking thing is fucked up. I'm not gonna even explain that why. Uh, but yeah, it's pretty basic. If you guys don't get what it's like, how lines work, it's just basically going from to, because that's how lines work. You go from one position to another. Just think it as like as you're drawing something, like you're drawing a line. You go from one place to another. There's one beginning to another stop. Anyways, now if you wanted to make this like look a little better, I mean, yeah, there is ways, but there's some parts about it that just look so fucking ugly. But it's whatever. So again, we're gonna be using this method. So we're gonna be going from the bottom. So if I wanted to make this line to come down here, I would basically just do this. Basically just doing that, going from the position of the left arm, going to the bottom by plussing another position, well, adding -1 from that position to here, which is going from there. Um, we're gonna do this on the right arm as well. So let's grab this. Let's leave. Join back. Alright. Oh shit, I have this on full screen. Alright, anyways. Eject. See, now, alright, you see what I'm talking about now? It goes to the bottom, you know what I mean? Now, if you wanted this to go to the bottom as well, again, you could do the same shit. You come to the left leg, the 2D position of the left leg, and you could do shit. Just fucked up. Anyways, you would just grab this, paste it there, paste it there. So you're just adding position of -1 to go to the bottom of that leg. That's basically it. So if I were to grab this, see, it looks stupid because I executed it twice. Let's go back. Let's get the fuck out of here. All right. See, now it's like, okay, see, it looks a little bit better. You know what I mean? Doesn't look as bad from the beginning, if you guys were here. Jack, what's up? Right, let me read some of the comments. Also, where did you learn lure from? Let me see. By the way, I make tutorials too. I made aimbot and a few others. And I'm making line ESP in a few minutes. How did I learn Lua? I don't know. I felt like I learned Lua way faster than C sharp. I think Lua is just an easy, what's it called? A language? I learned Lua mostly the hard way, but I also learned from like other forums and shit. I just keep going through stuff and then what the fuck? What's wrong with that line? Anyways, but yeah, I mostly learned the hard ways, and then I just give out tutorials for you guys to understand, and shit I can go over through as well. But yeah, that's how I learned Lua. I just go through different types of shit. I also do trial and error. I always try new stuff, so yeah, that's how I learned Lua. Trial and error, learning stuff, going through shit. Yeah. What's it called? What's what are the other things? I also look at Synapse shit, so I mean Synapse it isn't great to learn off of like their documents, but if you understand the basics, you'll really get into it. You'll really understand from it. But yeah, I'll put this in the description if I can even change it. Can you change the description while live? I don't even know. Hold on. Let's see. How do I edit? Oh, edit video. Alright, let me go make something here. I have to put this in a folder or something. Give me 1 second. Skeleton ESP live Lua. Okay. Now I just need a. Where the fuck did it just go? Let me check if it's the right code. Yeah, it is. Alright. That. Copy link. Close. Also, script. Alright. That should be it. And save. Okay, if you guys restart or restart, just refresh your page. It should be there. I'm not sure. You guys see it or not? Alright, let me check. Yeah, it is there. Any errors? Oh yeah, there it is. What the fuck? Alright, great. Let me see. So yeah, this is just checking. Yeah, I don't even know why that's doing that. Anyways, I did check if characters there and whatever, whatever, whatever. I mean, if you want to, you can also do like where's the, like, workspace find a first child character name. I don't know. I don't know. It's whatever. I think I'm gonna take a break a little bit. I'm not sure. But if you go to like a normal game, I don't think this would fucking happen where there's like people everywhere like that. If you do what I just did right now. Where's my OBS? Oh, it's too small. So if you didn't see what I did, I just added this like wherever the players are located, so you can check where Dex is or whatever. You could do that if you want. But yeah, I'm checking if the character's name is there or not. If the player's there. See, like if I add a, let's see, Dark Dex. I don't know, you guys could do whatever. Yeah, see, like the players are here or whatever. I'm just adding this for I don't know what fucking reason. But yeah, see these players are in like the workspace. That's where their characters are stored. All characters are always going to be stored in the workspace because this is the workspace, like the map or whatever. But anyways, if I go to like I don't know, let's go to some random fucking game. R6 Dances. This game is R6 Dances is fucking stupid. I can't even pull up the terminal console. All right. So you're like, okay, there you go. So if I like kill myself or something, see that shit goes away because it's checking if oh shit, I didn't even show. So it's checking if the health is not zero, but when it's zero, boom, it's gone. Or you could do this, but I'm just doing that. I don't know why. I'm just bored. I'm just making it more simple for you guys to understand. If you guys don't know what the hell I'm doing yet, but yeah, that's how it works. I'm gonna see if I can make like it better because I'm noticing like there's shit things around here. By the way, if you want to get your, if you don't want that ESP to go on yourself, just come back here. So you're gonna grab that local, that variable, where it's like local player or whatever, or however you want. And then we're gonna be making the B not. So right here, we're grabbing all the players, and we're gonna eliminate ourselves from there, which is B. And then, yeah, that should fix it all. And that the ESP shouldn't be on us. What? Alright, anyways. Alright, execute. Yeah, see now it's not on us. Why didn't it go on this guy? Oh, is he dead? Oh, he doesn't have fucking arms. What? How does he have not? How the hell does he have no arms? Anyways, if you guys are gonna be working on a game where you have fucking arms, yeah, you shouldn't have some errors, alright? But yeah, it works. There you go. Oh, now it's working. What? Alright. I guess he had no arms at that point. Alright, guys. I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna, I don't know, eat some ass. Gonna end stream. Unless you guys want to watch some videos with me. You guys want to watch some videos? Who the fuck is texting me? Actually, let me go fix that. Hold on. Let me go fix the let's watch hentai. Nah, man. I can't right now. 'Cause I don't watch hentai. Where is it? Give me 1 second. Right here. Okay. Let me go fix that link of the script so you guys have a better thing to work with. Where is it? Let's duplicate this. Alright. Should be it. Save this for any reasons. Alright, do you guys understand now? How much people are watching my shit? 4. 13 likes. Not bad. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go then. Nobody's saying shit. Except for Bite. Bite, Sis, Chrissy. Chrissy wants a kissy. My god. Alright. I don't even know if I'm gonna stream tomorrow. But yeah. Bye bye stream. I'm gonna have like a cringy, let's have a cringy shit here. Let's change it. Let's change it to, stream ending. Oh yeah, we also forgot something. Big black calls. Can I get demonetized for that? Wait, I don't wait, no, I'm taking that off. I've gotten monetized too many times, so alright, let's say bye. Bye bite bye Chiron balls. See ya bro. Let me kiss you goodnight. It's morning. Alright guys. Hope you guys love I don't know. At this point, I'm just saying random shit because I don't know what to say. I'm not streaming. I'm not a streamer. Alright, bye bye.